Good morning, students. Now discuss borax. Okay, so the borax molecular formula, this Na2B4O7.10 water molecules. Okay, so the borax Na2B4O7 10 water molecules. The preparations of borax. Next one, the preparation of borax. The borax is a sodium salt of tetraboric acid. It is obtained from the columnate ore by boiling solution with a sodium carbonate. Okay. So the reaction, this is the calamate. Okay. This calamate sodium carbonate reacted the water molecules. The Na2B4O7. This is the borax. Okay. So the borax is normally formula Na2B4O7 10H2O. Okay, this is the borax, but contain the tetranuclear units. The tetranuclear units, the B4OH dot OH4 twice. So this is form is known as the prismatic form. So the borax also excites two other form, namely jeweler or octahedral borax. The octahedral borax means Na2B4O7 5 molecules of water molecules. So on borax glasses, Na2B4O7. This is the borax glasses. Okay. The next one, properties. The borax properties. The properties of borax. Okay. So this is the borax of properties. Okay. The first one, the borax, the 7 water molecules of the reactant is the boric acid. The H4BO4 is the boric acid. The borax is basic in nature and its solution in hot water is alkaline solid. As it is dissociates into, this is the boric acid and sodium hydroxide. This is the first one property. Okay, the next, the on heating levels. On heating is form a transparent borax bed. This is the borax. The heating, okay, on heating is form a transparent. This is the borax bed and sodium boraxide and boron oxide. Okay, this is the heating process of properties. The next one, the acid base. Okay, the borax react with acid to form the sparingly soluble boric acid. The sparingly soluble boric acid. Okay, so this, the any one acid, the first sulfuric acid. So the borax, the react to sulfuric acid, the 5 molecules of water molecules, the reaction to the 4 molecules of boric acid, the sodium sulfide. Okay, this is the properties of borax. Okay, so this is the properties of borax. The next one, the treated the ammonium chloride to form boron nitrate. This is the borax, the react to ammonium chloride. The sodium, the product side, the sodium chloride and boron nitrate, this is the form. Okay, so the boron oxide and water molecules. This is the ammonium react with borax. The ammonium chloride, the react with borax. This is the properties of borax. The first one, the borax, the hydrolysis. The hydrolysis means the borax is boric in nature and its solution in hot water is alkaline acid dissociate into boric acid and sodium hydroxide. This is the first one. The next one, the heating level. The borax, the heating, the borax bed, the transparent borax bed. Okay. The next one, the borax react with acids. the two acids, the hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Okay, the borax, the sulfuric acid react to 5 molecules water. Okay, so the boric acid, the present, the same acids, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. The any one, the borax react to the product boric acid. Okay, the boric acid, sodium sulfide. The sulfuric acid react to sodium sulfide and hydrochloric acid present sodium chloride. Okay, this is the properties of borax. Okay, and the next, the uses of borax. The borax is used for the identification of colored metal ions and in the manufacture of optical and borosilicate glass enamels, glasses for pottery, and then it is also used to as a flux in the metallurgy and also act as a preservative. Okay, this is the uses of borax. Okay, next to discuss boric acid. Okay, and the next one discuss boric acid. Okay, the boric acid formula. See this is the boric acid formula. Boric acid, see this is the boric acid H3BO3 or BOH thrice. Okay, H3BO3 or BOH thrice is the boric acid molecular formula. Okay, the preparations of boric acid. So the boric acid can be extract from borax and calamnate. Okay, the boric acid. See this, the borax, they react to sulfuric acid, the water molecules. They react to boric acid. Okay, they react to boric acid. The preparations of borax, see this, the preparations of borax, this reaction, the same reactions, this one, the properties of borax, the same reaction, preparation of boric acid. Okay, the same reactions. So the Na2BO4O7 H2SO4, the sulfuric acid reacted. The borax, the sulfuric acid reactor, then 5 molecules of present. So the boric acid and then sodium sulfide. Okay, this is the preparation of boric acid. Okay, the next one, the properties of boric acid. The boric acid BOH thrice. The boric acid is a the color transparent crystal. The boric acid is a color transparent crystal. It is a very weak monobasic and it accepts hydroxyl ions rather than donating protons. This is the donating protons. So the BOH thrice, they added to 2 molecules of water molecules, H3O plus BOH4 inverse. Okay, minus. Okay, this is the properties of boric acid. Okay, the next one properties, see this, the boric acid, they react to sodium hydroxide. Okay, and the 1 molecules of boric acid, they react into sodium hydroxide. So the sodium boron oxide, water molecules. The 4 molecules of boric acid, they react to sodium hydroxide. 2 molecules of react to sodium hydroxide. So the formations of borax. Okay, Na2B4O7. Dot 7H2O. The next one reaction, the action of heat level. The next one, the action of heat. The action of heat. The boric acid when heated 373 Kelvin gives metaboric acid. And the 413 Kelvin, the metaboric acid, the heated the 413 Kelvin, it gives tetraboric acid. Okay, the tetraboric acid, the heated the red hot. So it gives boric anhydride, which is gas the glassy moss. This is the boron oxide. This is the form is last one, the boron oxide. This is the action of heat. Okay, the temperature is increased, the heat level is increased. So the red hot level, the last one, the product boron oxide. Okay, and the next one, the action of ammonia. The next one, action of ammonia. See this boric acid, they react to ammonia. So boron nitride. Boron nitride, the 3 molecules of water molecules. Okay, the fusion of the urea with the boric acid. Boric acid formula BOH thrice. So boric acid formula BOH thrice. The react to ammonia molecules in an atmosphere of ammonia at 800 to 1200 Kelvin. So gives below the boron nitrides. This is the formed. Okay, so the boron nitride is the formed and water molecules. The next one discuss ethyl borate test. The ethyl borate test, the important, the when boric acid, this is the ethyl borate test. Okay, this is the ethyl borate test. Okay, the when the boric acid or borate salt is heated, the boric acid and boron heated. Okay, then with the heated with the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol molecular formula C2H5OH. This is the ethyl alcohol. Okay, in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. This is the concentrate sulfuric acid H2SO4. An acid, an ester triethyl borate. So the formation of the triethyl borate. This is the name. The triethyl borate is formed. So the vapor of this ester bond with a green edged flame, and this reaction is used to identify the presence of borate. Okay, so see this boric acid, this is the boric acid, they react to ethyl alcohol and added the concentration sulfuric acid. So the product triethyl, the 3 molecules of present, so triethyl borate. Okay, this is the ethyl borate test. Okay, this is the ethyl borate test. So the trialkyl borate on a reaction with sodium hydride in tetrahydrofuran to form a coordination compound which act as a powerful reducing agent. This is the powerful reducing agent. Okay, this is the powerful reducing agent. Okay, the next one, the formation of boron trifluoride. The boron trifluoride, formation of boron trifluoride. This is the formation of boron trifluoride. Okay, BF3 boron trifluoride. So the reactant, the calcium fluoride, okay, calcium difluoride, they react to sulfuric acid, they added the boron hydroxide. So the calcium fluoride, the reaction to sulfuric acid, they added the boron hydroxide. The boron hydroxide means the boric acid. The BOH thrice means boric acid. They react to the product calcium sulfide and boron trifluoride water molecules. Okay, this is the formation of boron trifluoride. Okay, the next one, the structure of boric acid. See this is the structure of boric acid. Okay, so the boric acid has two-dimensional layers structure. Two-dimensional layer structure. It consists of BO3. So unit and these are linked to each other by hydrogen bond. This is the each hydrogen bond. Okay, so the uses of boric acid. The boric acid is used in the manufacture of pottery glasses, the enamels, pigments, and then it is used as an antiseptic and as an eye lotion, It is also used as a food preservative. This is the uses of boric acid. Okay. Thank you.